how to make your butt like super sexy. Okay, so first thing you want to do to get a super sexy butt is to wear size jeans that are like 2 sizes too small for you and super low cut. So it's like they're almost falling off, but they're gonna like stay there. You know, not like that low cut gangster thing. It's like really sexy, girly low cut jeans. First thing you want to do is get a brush to highlight your coin slot, so you have a sexier sort of crack right here, sort of highlight plumpiness of your butt. And then what you want to do is just put a little light here for like to fake that natural tan line. And then this is the hard part. What I'm gonna do is sort of make sort of a fake whale tail, like the G-string line, because those things are like as comfortable as wearing like, I don't know, like dental floss or something. Seriously uncomfortable, but they look super sexy. So we're just gonna draw it on, and you're not gonna be able to notice the difference. Seriously. Okay, so it starts like right here. Just make a triangle shape and go around the plumpy part right here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, totally works. Okay, get some liquid eyeliner and just sort of highlight it and blend it a little more. There we go. Super, super sexy. Okay, now for the last little thing is just put like a little tattoo there. Right over it, here. And just for a little added sexiness, you can put like your name or a guy's name on there. You can put a little bit of